Got one. I got a fish on. I got a fish on. Woo! Oh. Got him. Got that one. Got you. I could see. Come on. Got one. Got him. Got him. Got him, guys. Got him. That was a really good cast. Got one. I got a fish on. I got a fish on. Woo! Oh yeah. I got a fish on, baby. First fish of 2021. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. What is it? It's a bass. Come on. First fish of 2021, baby. Right here, baby. Right here, baby. First fish, baby. Yeah. What's up? Thank you. Yeah, baby. Guy knew what it was, too. He wants to get out here, too. All right, guys. Say goodbye. There you go. Nice one right under the bridge. Beautiful. Awesome. First fish of 2021. So we like, man. I've been waiting months for this. I've been waiting months for this. And I'm going to be waiting months for there to be a clean shot cast. Here it is. Beautiful cast. Felt like there was a hit on that one immediately. Come on. First cast with the lipless. Show me what's going on. Got him. I saw him hit it too. I saw this bass hit it right through. Right through. On the lipless, baby. On the lipless, dog. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. Come on with that bull. Come on with that bull now. I'm not getting hooked for nobody. So that's what we're gonna do. Especially with that ambulance going through. Oh wow, they got a cop behind them and everything. I hope the people are okay, man. I hate to see that stuff. It's funny fishing right over here. It's like you always see the ambulance going. It's that city life, you know? Like there's always something popping over here. Alright, we got you, we got you. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look at this, baby. Look at this, man. Come on, brother. Oh, I still got those things in there. Look at it. It's a little dink, but we'll take them. Cool. All right, man. Thanks for playing. It's time to get a bigger one, though. That's for sure. All right, we're trying to get the big boys today. I'm going to do a slow retrieve. If I get one deeper out there, the big guys. I'm also going to try to get some top water action in over here. I just got the the Shimano SLX XT, a higher gear ratio, the 8.2. That's all they had, and I've been looking at it for a while, and I'm like, you know what, I want it, and I don't have any reels with that higher gear ratio, so I kind of want to see what all the fuss was about, honestly. No, there was a little guy trying to get out. I don't want you. I don't want you. I do not want you. Nice. Man, I love my SLX CC. I love this reel so much. It's funny when you get reels like this, you always want to get the next best thing. You want to go up, like obviously the Corrado DC I want. Then it'll be the Scorpion DC. I mean, the fun never ends, really. Got one, another one. Got another fish, baby. Oh yeah, he's fighting. Oh, it's a sunfish. There's such pains in my butt. I like pains in my butt. Like for real though. Sunfish are pain in my butt. I love you. Merry Christmas. See you later. Got him. Got that one. Got you. I could see. Come on. Oh. Yep, nice crappie. Nice size crappie too, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, bruh. I got you, trust me. You ain't leaving without a picture. All right, man. You're not a bad size. You're not as big as that other one, but you good. Something wrong with your tail, though. It looks like your tail's missing, but all right. You going living. Fight the good fight, baby, like us all. What the heck is going on? They're probably gonna hit this thing. What is wrong with is it the reel? It could be. Oh look, I already got a fish on, just trying to check out the reel. Another crappie for the win. Come on, guys. This is crappie season, baby. Well, it's crappie season for me right now, that's for sure. Come on, the boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. Nice. Not a bad crappie. I love crappie fishing, man. Got one. Is it a crappie? It looks like a crappie. Yeah, come on. That's a good size crappie too. Jesus. Yeah, thank you, dog. Wow, that's a good size crappie, baby. Wow. Yeah. Come on. Come in. You're gonna get tangled up. Oh, wow. That's a good crappie, baby. That's a nice crappie. Look at that. That is a crappie right there, baby. Woo! Oh, yeah, we happy today. We definitely getting a picture with you, man. Thanks for playing, baby. Woo! You have a good night. Yeah. Let's go. I got some big fish. That's some big fish. Got one. Got him. Got him. Got him, guys. Got him. Hallelujah. Hallelujah on the Senko, baby. Woo! Thank you. Wow. Holy crap. We needed this guy. We needed you. They went in the road and everything, Dougie. I got you. I got you. All right. Well, you're getting back home nice and safe. I thought a car was gonna run you over. Yeah. So we'll get in the picture with you. Definitely. We've been working way too hard for this. All right, little buddy. You have a safe journey home. There you go. Wow. Wow, on the Senko, baby. Yeah, that's right. And we saved its life, too. That could have got gruesome, and I didn't want to be around for that. Oh, man. Right there, the green pumpkin Senko. I'll tell you, man. I'll tell you the truth about this thing. It's just one of my top. It's just so hard to beat.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel because more content like this is on the way. Until next time.